Hi, my name is Heather Houghton, and I'm a student in EDM 310 here at the University of South Alabama. This is my project number 12, the Smartboard Introduction. So I've already turned my smartboard on using the power button, and right now it's powering up. So now that our smartboard is on, we're going to go to the Smart Notebook. So you just double click it. And it will come up. So once it comes up, we're going to calibrate the board. To calibrate the board, we're just going to hold down the keyboard button and the mouse button here below the pins. So we're going to hold them down simultaneously, and then you just tap the middle of each crosshair. All right. Next, we're going to work with some text. So I'm just going to write my name. And then I can select it. The pen can be used to select things, or you can do it with your finger. So once it's selected, I can come over and hit Recognize Heather, and it will turn it to text. You can make this text bigger or smaller. You can move it around the screen, but I'm going to do it down here just to get it out of our way. Next, we're going to work with some objects. So I'm going to work with squares. You just tap on them and you can draw them. I'm going to work with 3. And see, I accidentally made a little one right there. And so I can select it and delete it. So now I'm going to fill each one of these squares in with a color. You hit the little fill bucket. So my first one will be green. My next one will be pink. And my last one will be blue. So we're going to work with some more text. We're going to write green under this one, pink under this one, and blue under this one. Now we're going to select each one. We're going to select that and recognize it as green, select that and recognize it as pink, and select this and recognize it as blue. So now we're going to take each one of these and drag them into their corresponding colored square. This one, we're going to send it to the back by hitting Order, Send to Back, and that just sends it behind the square. That way, when we animate the squares, by clicking on them, going over to the Properties tab, hitting Object Animation, we can make it fly out to the bottom at a slow speed, and we can do that to all 3 of them. To the bottom at a slow speed. And that way, when I ask my students to come up and tell me what color they are, once they say the color, they can tap on it to reveal if they are correct. So now, we're going to work with cloning. So all 3 of my objects went to the bottom of the page, and I can select one. And by hitting this drop-down menu where all the properties are, I can hit Clone, and it makes me another one. But I can also use the Infinite Cloner. So Infinite Cloner. And you can drag out as many as you want, all over. So now we're going to work with a digital ink layer. So the digital ink layer can be used to write on any kind of web page. We can make them happy, we can circle them, we can put stars anywhere, circle them. You can do anything you want to a page. I can write my name on it. Anything you want. And to save that to our notebook, you come up and hit the Smart Ink tool and hit capture. And it will capture it to the notebook. Lastly, we're going to make a new page and we're going to work with some multimedia objects. To work with multimedia objects, you go to Gallery. So I want to work with dice. Go to Gallery Essentials, Interactive and Multimedia, and type in dice, and hit enter. And we have this nice little dice block that we can drag out, and when we click on it, it rolls. So that has been my EDM 310 project number 12. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Thank you.